Welcome back, kindergartners. This is the last episode of the school year, and we're going to see where we are on our plants and plan for summer. So the garden word is summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. We had a problem with our pumpkins. Lost every one. Not sure if it was some kind of a critter that got in here or something else wiped them out. But 2 weeks ago, I decided I would start a new set. And we're going to plant these. This is one of 4 cups I have going. It's really fun to see how the roots are growing. You can see them growing around there. The plants are nice and tall. I'm going to put them inside a can that will protect them. So hopefully they'll get restarted, and we'll have pumpkins to show for it a little bit later this year. Here are the replacement pumpkin plants inside the protective cans. They are ready to grow, and we're looking for pumpkins later this year. Next, we see the transplanted beets on the left, radishes in the middle, and beans on the right. The radishes in particular are very happy with their situation and growing great. I want to show you some radishes I pulled from my garden today. They were planted from the same pack of seeds at the same time, and they're large enough to eat. We just have to get the dirt off them. Lastly, we have the squash. They're growing very well. They'll be growing up that fence shortly and produce some great fruit, I'm sure. The mother of one of our kindergartners last year heard that we were planting, and so she bought a cabbage. Her son brought it to school to put in our garden. After the school year ended, I took it home and put it in my garden. You can see in the pictures. And it grew and it grew and did excellent. And finally, when I pulled it out at the end of June, it was almost as big as a volleyball. Just as you have seen the seeds grow into plants and are growing now in the garden, we want you to grow with the things that you have learned in kindergarten. To keep that up, I will provide an update on June 1st and then later in the summer if you'd like to see how the plants are growing. Remember to keep practicing your garden words. Here they are listed. You also should continue to read all summer long and grow in the things that you know to get ready for first grade. You should be able to follow the updates I can provide this summer by going to my YouTube page. I've provided that information below. It's been a great privilege to talk to you about gardening. I care a lot about how you grow as a person, a lot more than squash and radishes and beets. Bye now.